Lexus South Pointe is offering this pre-owned 2016 Lexus RX 450h executive package in Nebula Gray Pearl with black interior. It's an all-wheel drive mid-size hybrid SUV that's powered by a V6 3.5-liter engine that produces 308 horsepower. You get excellent gas mileage both in the city and highway. It has just over 143,000 kilometers. It has been serviced regularly at a Lexus dealership. Here are 3 nice screenshots showing the service history. And when looking at the Carfax, it does show damage records. All damages have since been fixed and repaired. Features specific to this trim level include panoramic roof, panoramic view monitor, touch-free power back door, 15-speaker Mark Levinson audio, Qi wireless charging, power folding rear seats, and lastly, heads-up display, which will tell you information like how fast you're going, direction of travel, and various safety features. 2016 is the first year of this new redesign and body style. Lexus is offering for the first time on RX models Lexus Safety System Plus. It includes 4 terrific safety features: pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. For more information or to set up a test drive, call us at 780-989-2222 or email sales@lexussp.com. Check the description field for more information about this vehicle and our dealership. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.